Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Honor Watch S with Huawei Health app in iOS. So as you can see, we already downloaded the app. We have the Huawei Health app. Let's open up and see what we got. As you can see, we have 4 pages. Down below here, exercise, device and profile. The third page is for device. Here, press add new device and you can see it opens up for smartwatch. You go down to Honor and you can see immediately the Watch S, and immediately it founds your device. You have to press here accept for pairing request and press pair in the phone as well. And basically that's it. Now they are pairing with each other. And this is all that we have to do to pair our device with the watch. You can see right now they are paired and now we can do all the functions here. You can see at the first page we have statistic for steps, day, week, month and year statistic. We have total step and daily average. Also we have the percentage of walking, running and climbing as well. After steps, we have here the moderate to high intensity, day, week, month and year statistic. Again, we have the total duration and the daily average. You can see the minutes and the percentage down below. Next, we have the distance, day, week, month and year again, total distance and daily average again. Next, we have the calories, day, week, month and year statistic. You can see total calories and daily average. And we have the percentage of the burn calories that we did with these function. After burn calories, we will find climbing. You can see we have again day, week, month and year statistic. And we have the total and daily as well. We have exercise records here. As you can see, we have only one. Heart rate statistic, day, week, month and year. You can see the statistic. And we have here the highest, lowest and average. Also, we have the last heart rate that we measured. We have the sleep data. You can see the settings. We have deep sleep, light sleep, awake time, nap time, etc. And next we have the weight, again day, week, month and year statistic. You can see next the stress. Again, all the statistic will be saved here. Same as before, we have the blood oxygen, the last option in this page. So this is the first page. At the second page we have exercise, outdoor run, walking and cycling. These 3 options require GPS activated. So you can see immediately it finds your watch in the map. You have your kilometers, duration, speed, burn calories, heart rate, etc. All these will be saved in the app for you later to check out. At the third page, when we connect the Watch S, you can see we have connected the percentage of battery, we have steps and other things that we did throughout the day. And the first option here is the watch faces. You can see we can change the watch face in very quick and easy way. We can select one of the watch faces that we like, press download and wait until this watch is downloaded. See how it will look and how fast it will take to download. You can see the new watch face is here. It took a little bit, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, but after that you can see we have the Huawei Honor S True Sleep, we have activity, heart rate sharing and other things. We have alarm settings, weather report. After that we have others. You can see we have notifications, which we allow the notification and messages. We have here the device settings, restore factory settings. And we have firmware update in case any of them comes right here, you will update it. And back to the third page and the fourth page next, we have here the messages, my data, my medals, achievements. We have here plenty of the achievements that we did. We have my training plan, profile, settings and help at the bottom. So basically this is what we will see in the Huawei Honor app. You can see the notification work perfectly. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.